So I got a spree here it's a Frankenstein of parts from I think it's an 86 frame with an 85 motor with an 87 head on it, speedometer, and it won't run. It'll sometimes fire up and go, and then it'll die, and then it won't restart. And what I've come to find is I believe its exhaust is plugged up, and I'll show you why. Two-handed operation here. So this carb, it's a Chinese knockoff carb, but it works and it runs on another spree that I got. That one there. It'll run fine on that one. So I've been trading them back and forth to see to debug this problem. So the carburetor is known to be pretty good. And this one has compression and it has spark, it checks spark. And I checked compression because I had it running at one time here and it runs just fine. But it's just inconsistent and it feels like it gets flooded all the time, to the point where if you look right down in this little pocket, see if I can point to it with a screwdriver. This little area right here, which is below the exhaust port, took the exhaust pipe off. This will get oil and gas here that'll be dripping down through this here where it was a little bit loose, and I got it collecting on here, some gas and oil. So I'm thinking, well, maybe it's not able to eject that gas out, and that's why I'm getting a wet plug here and there, and I'm getting you know, inability to fire sometimes and sporadically. So took the muffler off. Here's the muffler. I'm going to barbecue it again here. This one's been barbecued once a long time ago, but I'm going to barbecue it and see if I can get it cleared out a little bit. And so with no exhaust on it, I went ahead and tried to fire it up, and it did. I'm going to do it again, see if I get it two times in a row here. And if that's the case, then I'm pretty sure it's this muffler, and I'm going to give it a full-blown barbecue and really push some air through it with a compressor and see if I can debug this problem. Yeah, so the plug is very wet from those last few attempts. A lot of fuel and oil on there. Clean that up, put it back in there, and charge this battery up and give it another shot. All right, so I swapped mufflers with a known working spree. Came off of this guy right here, the donor. And hopefully this battery's got enough oomph in it. Give it another try. See how this thing starts up now. Ah. Alright, she idles. Problem solved. That's definitely what the problem was, is that muffler's plugged up. And put a known good muffler on there, known good carb, and everything's back working again. So it wasn't the carb, it was definitely the muffler. That's the only thread that's been consistent, is that everything else was failing with that old muffler on there. So gotta see if I can barbecue that one and save it, because I still got another spree over here that's needing its muffler back. Anyways, if you're troubleshooting and you're seeing, you know, a bit of greasy, oily gas down here, maybe leaking around your exhaust pipe, where it connects to your exhaust manifold, you might have a plugged up muffler. And if you've tried everything and can't figure out why this thing won't start or won't stay running, very well could be it's plugged up muffler. So it's worth a try. Hey, I hope this helped. Have a great day.